Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make translucent and chewy tapioca pearl. Sa video na ito, ipapakita namin kung paano nyo ma-achieve yung sago na walang matitirang puti sa gitna. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, magpakulo lang kayo ng 5 cups of water. Kapag kumukulo na yung tubig, i-add nyo na yung 1/2 cup ng tapioca pearl. Then, haluin nyo lang ito occasionally. After that, takpan nyo lang ito at lutuin ng 10 minuto. Haluin nyo lang ito from time to time to make sure na hindi didikit ang mga sago sa pan. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. After 10 minutes, patayin nyo lang yung apoy at hayaan yung nakababad ang sago sa tubig for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of soaking, ito na yung magiging itsura ng sago natin. As you can see, meron pa rin siyang mga white residue sa gitna. After that, i-strain nyo lang yung sago sa running water. Ingatan nyo lang na huwag madurog ang mga ito. Pagkatapos, ibalik nyo lang yung mga sago sa kaserola at mag-add kayo ng 5 cups of water. Then, pakuluan nyo uli siya for 20 minutes. Yes guys, patience is a virtue. After 20 minutes, patayin nyo lang yung apoy. Pagkatapos, hayaan nyo lang nakababad ang mga sago sa tubig for another 15 minutes. And there you go! Our tapioca pearls are now ready. As you can see, wala na yung mga puti-puti sa gitna. Sobrang clear na nito. We hope that you learned something from this video, and please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.